Hi students, so this lecture for BBA 6M on the project management. Okay, so in the last class we saw related the capital budgeting. Okay, and I hope all of you understand that the capital budgeting. And in this session we will see one more problem from the first chapter, which is that this is the last point, so which is the generation and screening of ideas. Okay, so generation and the screening of the ideas, this is the one more last point in the first chapter. Okay, so generation of the ideas, it means whatever the new business or the new product or the new services or the new marketing, these things are come under the market with the new ideas or the new products. Okay, so actually these creating these new ideas and the new products or the new services or the new businesses is actually in it's very difficult to create the new things, and for this implementation of this all these things it's very hard. Okay, so this creation and the what's generation or the screening of the ideas. Okay, and so this generating and the screening of ideas, these different sections of generation and the screening of ideas, these are the four different sections are there. First one is the generation of ideas, monitoring the environment, corporate appraisal, and preliminary screening. Okay, so these are the four sections are there in this screening and the generation of ideas. Okay, so the first one is what's generation of ideas. Okay, so this is an initial stage. It not only provides inputs for different ideas but also helps in structuring the process. Okay, so the steps also helps in shortlisting the ideas for the further analysis. Okay, so this is the first step for the generating the ideas or the screening the ideas, and this generation ideas is not help for the putting the inputs. Okay, but also it's providing or it helps to for the structuring the what's to create structuring or the it helps for the process or the structuring of the generation for the ideas. Okay, so and this step is also helpful for the analysis of which are those points are the short latest. For that purpose it is the analysis. Okay, so this is the generation of ideas as well as, so this generation of ideas, no, it provides inputs for the different ideas. Okay, so but also no, it helps in structuring the process actually. Okay, so this is the and most of the project in this generation of ideas, most of the project ideas involves the combine the existing fields as well as combining existing fields of the technology or as well as the offering no variant of present product or services. Okay, so this is the generation of the ideas. Okay, and so there are 4 5 sources are there for the generation of ideas. First one is a what's the customer and the competitors, second one competitors, third one is a investors and scientists, fourth one supplier, and fifth one is the other sources. These are the what's the sources of idea generation. Okay, so first one is about the customer. By the help of the customer we can generate the ideas or the screening of the ideas. Okay, so whatever the needs of the customer or wants of the customers, with that we can identify the different ideas. Okay, so for the new idea, this is the main source of the or the main methods of the idea generation. Next one is what's the competitors. Okay, so we can identify the new ideas by the way of the competitors, because it means the we can firm or the business can study the competitors reaction of to the means competitor products, what the products competitors they are going to produce new things and what's the reaction of the consumer of that. Okay, so with that they can just study and they can create the new ideas. Okay, so this is the competitors. Next, investors and scientists. With the help of the scientists they can create the new ideas. Okay, or contribute some things for the new things. This is also the source of the generating the ideas. Next one is about the supplier. With the help of the suppliers can get the new ideas with the technology or the products on raw material through its suppliers. And next one is the other sources. There are so many sources or other sources are there to create or to generate the new ideas. It means what's from the shows, from the seminars, from the trade magazines. Okay, so like this there are so many sources are there. Okay, so this is about the sources of idea generation. Okay, so next things what's the methods of idea generations. The focus group, brainstorming, checklist, problem inventory analysis, mix of the above methods. These are nothing but what's the methods of the idea generation. Okay, so next thing is what's monitoring the environment. So monitoring the environment is nothing but what's the firm must systematically monitor the environment and assess its competitive ability. For the purpose of monitoring, the business environment may be divided into 6 categories. Okay, so monitoring the environment, it means what's the tracking the environment. Okay, systematically they have to track the environment for the access its competitive ability. Okay, so what's the it means what they should be constant in the market with the competitive. They can systematically monitor or systematically track the environment. Okay, and so it is divided into 6 categories, which are the economic sectors, government sectors, technological sector, socio demographic sector, and the competition sectors, and the supplier sectors. Okay, so these are the sectors are this. It means the economic sector, it's they have to monitor just like the state of the economic sector, as well as the overall rate of growth. So like this they have to analysis. Okay, so next one is what's the corporate appraisal. So this corporate appraisal a realistic of corporate strength and weakness is essential for identifying investment opportunity with can be profitable exploited. Okay, so corporate appraisal means while investing they should analyze the SWOT analysis, means the strength and weakness and the opportunities. All these things they have to analysis for the investment purpose, and it will be the profitable or not. This is the corporate appraisal. Okay, so these are the generation and the screening of the ideas. These are the four different sections are there. Okay, and it's very important for your exam oriented. Okay, and so now I'm going to announce this first chapter is finished. Okay, so in the next sessions we will start the new chapter. Thank you.